All right, YouTube people, what's happening back in the shop? Man, lots of fun in here as always. Now, right now we've got this 37 Jaguar kit car. I'll say a few things about this car. We didn't build it. I've never seen it before. I don't know who built it. I don't know what kind of kit car it is. We have not touched it. But what I do know is the lady that owns it, she bought it here a little while ago. She's having trouble with the way it runs. You know, it's kind of common stuff right there. She's had it in a couple of shops. Nobody can figure it out. She's had a neighbor down the street come, he's working on it. So she had a few people recommend us to her, so we thought maybe it's something we could get in pretty quick, help her out with. So basically what it's doing right now, it wants to run good for a minute, kind of falls on its face. And obviously there's three things that make these things run. That is air, fuel, and spark. So basically we're gonna check all three of those. We're gonna go down the line, check the carburetor, check the fuel pump. We're gonna check, you know, firing, all that good stuff, and we're gonna see where we're at. And I'm sure that's what Bob is working on right now. So see if we can get this baby running for her. These old kit cars, they're pretty cool because fiberglass bodies, lots of different styles, like a Jaguar. It's really cool, but it's interesting. They used Ford Pinto drivetrains. This one's got a V6 in it, Ford, so we know we can get parts from the parts store pretty easy. You know, good drivability when it's running right, which is the problem.
Canootin valve, I think, is bad.
The Canootin valves, you checked the blinker fluid before you got started?
I did, that's full. So
all right, so we got blinkers.
The Canootin valve does look a little funny.
Yeah, well, you know, sometimes that's a Ford for you, right? So we got rack and pinion. We got, this is all Ford Pinto front end too, right, Bob?
Yep.
Yeah, look at this thing.
I get a leg in.
Look at that. The floor, it's like, there's no...
Go and sit in it.
I feel like you'd almost have to go in this way. It's nice. I think the top could stand to be tightened up a little bit. Probably looks like that going down the road. Hopefully we can get it going pretty quick for her and get it out of here.
Well, you're gonna have to test drive it. I think.
My foot.
You get out. You can do it.
I got it, guys. Woo!
The way somebody tried, they put silicone in the spark connector. It's going to be a simple fix, an easy find. A lot of people would have just started changing distributors, pickup foot, there it goes.
It's really worth knowing your car and like doing a little bit of education, figuring out how to work on it, because we found that in 5 minutes. And this has already been in a couple other shops where she spent a good amount of money with them trying to repair it. They could never figure it out, and we just kind of traced some stuff back and found that we had a bad butt connection right there. So we'll go in and actually wire that back in how it should be, and I think she's good to go. Easy enough.